Hey, is the trader here. I'm believing everyone had a great week following the news events, the NFP news events. Hope you didn't blow your accounts. Well, it's a new week. Found your accounts. Let's get into business. Again, do check your economic calendar. Remember today's the US bank holiday, so expect crazy movements, low volatility. Markets will gravitate from one pocket of liquidity to another. Also, let's get into action. Let's mark our beginning of the day marker. So yeah, I'm using this inside bar as my demand zone. Alright, so let's look at the PA. We had our first level of respect here. Price pulled up, created a high. This high failed to take out this low, so created a new low. Then this low took out this high, confirming other flows and more. And we started seeing some other flow. Shifts here. This low failed to take out this. So here we know that this low is targeted and this high is protected, which happens. This high took out this low, other flow shifts, and price back to our demand zone. Okay, that was nice. So again, let's look at this. All right, I'm using this wick as my supply zone. Again, if we just look at this, it has been mitigated already. We have this supply here, which was mitigated with this. It has been mitigated already. Again, so let's scroll down to the lower time frame to see a reasonable PA. Alright, so how we can just see is demands are failing, supplies are holding. Again, not much price action here. Alright, not much things. Can only see this flip zone here. Sorry. Alright, I'm using this wick. I believe the wick has I'm using this wick as my demand zone. So yeah, I'm expecting price to pull down here. Again, if you look at this little one here, again, I'm not interested in this range created zone here. I'm not interested because moreover it has been broken. So I'm expecting price to pull up. I'm expecting price to pull down or do some stuff like this before confirming other flows. Again, this is not a signal for you to sell. You can do your little analysis and check what the lower time frame are saying. So yeah, I think that will be all on gold, because if you look at this price action, we've broken this low, we swept the low also, we swept, we pulled back, went back to this supply zone again, breaking this high also. Moreover, that's a liquidity sweep again. Now we've broken this low, So all I just want to see is price reversing back, to this CPE over here. Probably to this zone. Yeah, that is a more logical zone to look for shots. But if you fail to do that, let me just take measure by this. Well, if it fails to do that, maybe we look for sales over there. Okay, that's all on gold. Not much actions. No, I'm not looking at Nasdaq. I'm not looking at. Instead, I'll look on GU. On the daily. Please pardon my drawings. Alright. GU. Let me use another. Okay, let me use this. Okay, I think that should be more clear. So on GU, we also have this demand zone here. Again, if you're wondering why I'm using all these zones, then you're not one of my students. We've broken this. Let me explain it for you in logical. We had this, came down, we broke it and created a supply to demand flip zone. So yeah, here we had our first level of respect. Sorry for that. We had our first level of respect, and more of our price has been in this long time range on GU, week up and down, etc. So not much P on GU. Price has just pushed down to our demand zone. Again, in a more logical way, I will still be looking out for buys because this low hasn't been broken yet. And again, it's safe to say you could wait for this low to break before looking out for anything here. Alright, so this is on GU and this is on the 4 hours time frame. We don't have much here. We don't have much, not much PA. I think this is the only logical supply here, which was mitigated. No, sorry, it wasn't mitigated at all. So yeah, I think I'm using this. Let me use this week. Sorry, I'm going to use this wick and this candle body for my zone. Yeah, that's what I'll use for my zone. I'm working on G. Again, look at this PA. We had this pullback, mitigated this. Pullback again, came down, mitigated this, created another demand zone inside of a demand zone, which has also been mitigated. But I think it's more logical for you to wait for a sweep, for this to be taken out, then probably wait for some other flow Again, I'm not suggesting is a buy, neither am I suggesting is a sell, but is in a more logical way. That's the way I will look at it. On the 4 hours, we also have some supply zone which I won't be able to mark. Again, I want to make this video as short as possible. I don't want to waste any of your time because I'm literally not trading tomorrow. Or should I say rather today? I'm not trading today till Tuesday. But anyways, I'll still do end of the day markup for the Discord group. Alright, not much things on GU. You know, if I want to be honest with you, I would suggest you stay out of the market today. Remember, there's bank holidays. The US has bank holidays. No, there's nothing for you to trade here. No, just stay out and watch some movies, go out, have fun, exercise. It's not bad if you trade twice in a week, but make sure those twice in a week is worth it. Now, for you trading 5 times a day, and out of the 5 times you hit stop loss like 2, hit break evens, and maybe you just win 1, and you continue for the rest of it. It doesn't make sense. As a trader, you should know when to stay out of the market and when to trade it. Don't be influenced by people trading Monday to Friday, every day. No, at times you can trade twice, 3 times in a week. The goal is to be profitable. The goal is not to donate to your broker, or should I say, the goal is not to donate to the market. Don't be a donor. Again, I'm not seeing anything tangible to trade here. If I want to trade, I will only be waiting for this to be swept. Sorry. I will only wait for this to be taken out here. Then from there, I'll wait for an order flow, shifts and confirmation before possibly taking a trade. I have to see that okay, demands are holding, supplies are filling. But for me, taking a trade from this very point, looking for buys or looking for sells, it doesn't make sense. Okay, there's every tendency price might pull back to this little zone over here. Again, let me just use the whole body of the candle, this supply zone over here. So yeah, it would be logical to let's say price pulls back to this zone. You could look for your sells if order flows are confirmed and shifted. Again, it all boils down to the lower time frame narratives. Mark your zone and scroll down to what the lower time frames are doing. It's pretty much easy. So actually, I'm not seeing anything tangible or reasonable to trade today. Just stay out of the market and you can back test or do whatever makes you happy than for you gambling and blowing your account. Alright, stay safe. Probably later in the day we'll do more videos, but for now, just think GU and gold are the only reasonable thing I'm seeing here right now. Nothing else. Alright, stay safe guys. Peace.